friends. Good morning to all of you. I hope you must be well. And today is 72 days. Okay. And one thing I will say it's a very important since it's a very important thing. Okay, that is electricity. Electricity nowadays very important. Day by day it's going to important also. And it's actually now also in my childhood that time also we are care for the electricity, and but on that time we care for the electricity, but now we don't care for the electricity because of you can found many homes they unnecessary use the electricity, they unnecessary use the electric bulb, light, fan, cooler, AC, refrigerator, washing machine, and iron box, and one thing heater, uh, uh, street light. Street light is necessary. I will not say about that. Okay, but you have seen maximum people maximum time, and they use the fan unnecessary because of in winter season, rainy season, and summer season. Okay, always 365 into 365 days they use the fan. Okay, maximum time I have seen the people say, even I will say at my home also, but in some cases I forgot to switch off the light, fan, but I plan one thing. I make a board, I make a notice board, and I put the wall, I paste the wall, and I written there before leave the room, switch off the light, fan, the all things. So I plan like this. Okay, so I am telling you, you also do like this. Okay, so it's very good thing. And the fan, maximum people they always use the fan. There is no, sometimes they forget switch off the light, fan. When they're going to outside, when they leave the room. Okay, so that's why day by day electric is very cost. Electric charges also cost day by day. Okay, so that's why my friends, you always save the electricity if there is necessary. If there is necessary, then you use the electricity. You use the light, fan, or if yeah, today, yeah, now the fan is not necessary, then you don't use the fan because sometimes they just fan. One of my friend, yeah, I also visit 2 3 maximum time I visit to home, my friends home. So I told her nowadays it is winter season. Yeah, it is today is cold. So why use the fan? No, we have a habit. Then what I will do? Sometime I have seen in winter season. Winter season, I asked why you use the fan. No, we have habit, and the fan sound we need. They need fan sound. Actually, without fan sound, they can't sleep. They can't sleep. So what is the reason? So this type of people also I have seen. Okay, so if because one thing, now the government also maximum charges, they are paying the maximum charges for the electric bill. Okay, so that's why you don't misuse. And AC, AC also, if in January, February, in which month there on that time is not necessary for the AC, so don't use the AC because they consume more electric. Okay, and this is, so suppose you have to clean one cloth. Suppose you have one or two cloth, yeah, one shirt, yeah, one pant. So in this time not necessary to use the washing machine. You can wash the cloth, yeah, your shirt, pant by hand. That is not necessary. So like this, in this way we can save the electricity. Yeah, we can control the electricity. Okay, friends, my suggestion is where is necessary, use there. Where is not necessary, you don't use there. Okay, so it's if you this type of activity, if you regularly to implement in our home, then our wife, our son, daughter, they also follow this thing, and day by day this generation also will follow. Okay, so this and one thing I have seen, the outside of the home, if you put the light, okay, put the light outside of the of your home, sometimes we forget to switch off the light, so that thing also you have to remind. Okay, so and in our office, also I have seen some boys, some people in some हाँ company bill, company का electric है, this type of behave, this type of thoughts I have seen many people's, so it's very bad. Okay, so if you care for you, then you care for the others also. Okay, it is not company or it is not your. So I have seen in company, this is also very bad. Okay, company, yeah, home, all are equal. So you have to care the electricity. Okay friends, then you can see this place, it's my department. Already I reached my department. Then thank you all viewers, bye bye, keep watching.